The best way to approach these problems right here is to create a picture, I think. So let's draw a board. Right, we got some board we're going to cut here. And so we're going to cut it so that one piece is 4 times the length of the other. So obviously we're going to have to cut this thing somewhere down here, right? We're going to cut about right there where this piece is 4 times as long as this one. All right, so this is a picture that demonstrates what that sentence says, and I really think the pictures help to set this up. Okay, so what we don't know is the length of either one of these pieces, but we know the total length from here all the way down to here is 125. Okay, so let's think of it this way. I don't know how long this short piece is. When I don't know how long something is, I'm going to call it x. All right, so the short piece, that's the short piece, it's x. So the long piece, one piece, is 4 times the length of the other. All right, so this long piece over here is 4 times as long as the short piece. All right, so the short piece is x, so that means the long piece has to be 4 times x, or 4x. All right, that's the tricky part that where people get stuck on this problem, is realizing that if the short piece is x, then the longer piece has to be 4 times x, because it's 4 times the length of the short piece. So it's 4 times x, or 4x. And so now what we have is we know that the short piece plus the long piece has to add up to 125. All right, so that's the short piece, and then there's the long piece. So when we add the short and the long piece together, we get the total length of 125. So now we have actually we have like terms. All right, we have x plus 4x is 5x. Remember, this is like a 1x. So we get 5x equals 125. We divide both sides by 5. And so x is equal to 25. So that's the length of the short piece. All right, so 25 is what you'll type there. And now when you enter 25 for that answer, then it pops up the question that says, well, how much is the long piece then? All right, so there's several ways to do this. We can logically think about this. So the long piece has 4 times the short piece, so you can say that it's 4 times 25 if you like, and get that it's 100. Another way to do it is realize that the whole piece is 125 long, and if I take away the short piece, which is 25, that should tell me how long the long piece is, which is also 100. So you see the way we do that, we get that the long piece then will be 100. All right, so these problems from 8.6 are not going to be easy, but start with a picture to the extent that you can to help you understand how to break down this problem.